Hi everyone! Magandang gabi. So, na-miss ko kayo. So, pasensya na kayo, wala akong upload kahapon. Pero ngayon, meron tayong bagong upload ngayon, which is single edition, okay? So, ang topic natin for tonight is, who will you marry? Okay, so sa mga single lady natin out there, or single masculine, so titingnan natin kung sino ba ang mapapangasawa nyo. Okay, so it could be kung ang situation nyo is single, or halimbawa annulled na or divorced na, okay, or hiwalay na, okay, sino ang mapapangasawa mo or yung mapapakasalan mo. Okay, so tingnan natin. So pile number 1 and pile number 2. Okay, so again, our pile composed of tarot card and a mixed oracle card. So tingnan natin kung sino yung mapapangasawa mo. Tingnan natin yung features niya, ugali niya. So tingnan natin kung ano yung character nitong person na to na mapapangasawa mo. Okay, so this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So pili ka na kung anong pile yung tumatawag ng pansin mo. Okay, okay, so kung nakapili ka na, mag-i-start na tayo kay pile number 1. Pile number 1. Who will you marry? Sino ang mapapangasawa mo? Tingnan natin. First, maraming salamat po pala sa nag-request ng topic natin for today. Maraming salamat. Okay, so guys, kung mayroon kayong requested na topic, so lagay nyo lang sa ating comment box para at least mabasa ko. And then, tingnan natin kung magagawa natin. Okay? So, start na tayo. Pile number 1. Who will you marry? First card. The Sun. Okay. It could be a Leo or a fire sign. This person is a happy person. Okay? So, masayahin to na person, or it could be you, pile number 1. Masayahin. Okay? So, this is a person na may pagka childlike nature, palabiro. Okay? So, jolly. Masayahin na type of a person. Always positive sa buhay. Okay? Whether it is a masculine or a feminine, okay, so masayahin to, masaya kasama. Nag-a-uplift. So, siya yung klase ng person na kapag naging partner mo siya, nag-a-uplift siya kahit hindi partner ha, kahit ng mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya or mga taong mahalaga sa kanya, ina-uplift niya yon. Okay? Ni-encourage. Okay, so next card is the World. Okay, so pwedeng makilala mo to sa social media. Okay, it could be an air sign. Okay, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Makilala mo siya sa social media. It could be ibang nationality nito, itong person na to. Pwedeng malayo din tong person na to sa'yo, pile number 1. Itong mapapangasawa mo. This person is a free-spirited person, okay? So, it could be a fire sign, okay? A Sagittarius, a Leo, and a Aries. So, this is a free-spirited person. Masiyahin, mahilig mag-travel, okay? Mahilig gumiti. Okay? So, no dull moment kapag kasama mo tong person na to. Pile number 1. Okay? So, pwedeng malayo nga to sa'yo. pwedeng nasa ibang bansa. Okay. And it could be nakakausap mo na to sa internet, or may kilala mo siya sa social media app, or basta through internet. It's either Facebook, dating site, WhatsApp. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. 9 of Wands. Marami talagang pumili ng pile number 1 is a fire sign. Okay. A fire sign. So, pwedeng you are a fire sign. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Maybe this person is a leader also. Okay. Or you, pile number 1, is an intimidating person. Okay. This person also, it could be you or the guarded one, or kasi this person is masiyahin. Ikaw, may nakikita ko dito na guarded. And it could be an LGBTQ, ha? Pwedeng female. Okay? Take what's resonate. So, tingnan pa natin. Mahilig mag-travel to. So, meron ako nakikita dito na may mahilig mag-camping. Meron ako nakikita na some of you, pile number 1 is a male yung nanonood. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Sunglasses. Watching, looking, stalking, gaslighting, perception, focusing out. Maybe, if you are a masculine, pile number 1, nakakausap mo na tong person na to, or you could eyeing this person, right now. If you're a masculine, So, take what's resonate. So, may nakikita ko dito na, siguro, pwedeng nakilala mo na to. Okay. Nakilala mo na to, or nakausap mo na. You could be gumagamit ka ngayon, pile number 1 ng dating site. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Unconditional, genuine, certain, and love. So, this person, pile number 1, unconditional to kung magmahal, or it could be you, pile number 1, ha. This person is, kapag ka na-meet mo to, and then kapag ka nagkaligawan kayo, or nagkakilala pa kayo, this person is a genuine person, okay? Sweet. Pwedeng ikaw yun, pile number 1. Sweet. Okay. Or pwedeng iba sa inyo kapag na-meet nyo to, love at first sight ka agad. Okay. So, meron ako nakikitang ganon. May nakikita rin ako at may nararamdaman na karamihan ng nanonood ng pile number 1, viewers natin, is a masculine, okay? Or po pwedeng pile number 1, ikaw itong dinidescribe ko ha. You are the jolly person, masayahin ka na person. Or ikaw yung protective na person. So, take what's resonate, guys. So, this love is unconditional. So, kapag ka nakita mo tong person na to or nakilala mo, malalove at first sight ka dito. Okay? Meron ako nakikita na this person, kung sino man to, pile number 1, this is a genuine person, okay? This is a childlike personality na babae. So, kumbaga, mabait na person to. Okay, matulungin. So, tingnan pa natin. Today, present, now, in the moment. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, siguro yung iba sa inyo, nasa dating site na or nakakausap na tong person na to, okay? May communication na kayo nitong person na to. Okay, so, baka pile number 1, ito yung palaging ini-stalk mo. Okay? Palagi mo tinitingnan online. And you are focusing out on this person. Nakafocus ka dito kung ikaw ay masculine, pile number 1. Okay? So, kung ikaw naman ay feminine, pile number 1, maybe this masculine has this personality. Okay? Masayahin. Free-spirited. Okay? Sweet. Okay, so last 2 cards. So meron tayong Numinous and the Archetype cards. Tingnan natin kung anong personality nitong person na to. At kung sino ba to, itong papakasalan mo na to. Okay. Meron din ako nakita dito na this person is, kapag nakita mo siya agad yung mag-i-stand out para sa'yo. Okay? Or kapag ka na sa crowd, siya yung unang-unang mapapansin mo. Or vice versa. Okay? Pile number 1. Okay. Pluto. Transformation. Okay. So, meron akong nakita dito na somehow, pile number 1, you know kung sino tong person na to. Okay, yung iba sa inyo. And some of you, either this person or you, pile number 1, is obsessing on each other. Okay, or sabi ko nga, siguro yung iba sa inyo nakakausap na to. Okay. This is a this person, pile number 1, it's either a motivational person, kind of a person. So sabi ko nga sa iyo, this is a happy person, free-spirited person, masayahin siya. So positive siya palagi sa buhay. Okay. This is a childlike personality nga ng person. It's either masculine or feminine. Meron din ako nakita dito na pwedeng it could be your current partner right now, or it has to do with a renewal of love. Okay. Your partner now. Okay. Or in the moment. It could be a Scorpio also. So, meron ako nakitang Scorpio. Meron din ako ditong nakita or meron ako narinig na yung iba iba sa inyo siguro, before, takot magmahal. Okay. Pero, nung na-meet nyo tong person na to, parang, it could be this person is a healer or just an uplifting kind of a person. So, natulungan ka nito na i-open ulit yung love mo. Kasi maybe this person show you an unconditional kind of love. So, a genuine love. So, siguro kung ikaw yung kind of a person noon na takot kang magmahal or nasaktan ka before, this person will open your heart again, okay? So, kung may trust issue ka, kung takot ka na ngang magmahal, takot ka nang magtiwala, this person will renew your heart, okay? I-clear nito kung ano yung mga trauma mo sa love, okay? Kaya, meron akong nakitang advice na just live in the moment, in the present, and forget your past, okay? So, mahalaga dito na kapag nakita mo na to or nakilala mo na tong person na to, yung ano lang, kumbaga, parang just live in the moment, okay? Kasi magkakaiba naman ng tao kung nasaktan ka man before sa love or relationship na pinanggalingan mo, this person is iba doon kung sino man yung nanakit sa'yo, okay? So, don't obsess na mamaya baka masaktan ka dito sa person na to because this person offer an unconditional love. So, it could be you, pile number 1. Okay? Basta, it's either may connection ka na dito sa person ngayon, nakakausap mo na siya, online, okay? Okay, so tingnan pa natin. For your last card, Samaritan. Refines your capacity to help those you would prefer to ignore. Okay, so sabi ko nga, it could be this person is a kind person, a Samaritan, okay? So, this person will help you, okay, to clear out all the traumas na naranasan mo sa past relationship mo. Kung ikaw yung klase ng person, pile number 1, na nasaktan before sa relationship mo, okay, kung ikaw yung nagkaroon ka ng trust issues, okay, may nag-cheat sa'yo, kaya hirap ka na magtiwala, this person will help you to open up again, okay? Kasi, this is a person na kind, okay, a pure-hearted person that can offer an unconditional love. Guys, I know unconditional love will offer lang only ng ating mother, okay, ni Lord Jesus Christ, okay, kung sino man ang pinapaniwalaan mo, but some unconditional love is given only by our parents, ganyan, okay? Pero kasi there are people na can give that kind of love, okay, a genuine kind of love, okay? So, kapag nakilala mo to, pile number 1, open up, okay? And mahalaga yung i-clear out mo kung ano man yung mga trauma mo. Okay? This person is a very helpful person kapag nakilala mo to. Pure-hearted. Sabi ko nga pagka pure-hearted, hindi to hindi to nag-iisip ng hindi maganda sa tao, okay? Tutulungan ka nito this person, if this is a female, okay, or a feminine, and you are the masculine, this person will help you to achieve your goal, okay? Kung feminine to, this person is a wife material, okay? At kung masculine naman to, this person is a husband material, okay? So, if hindi mo pa to nami-meet, pile number 1, kung some of you hindi pa nami-meet to, mamimit mo to soon, okay? Online, mare-recognize mo agad yon. Kaya nga sabi ko nga, mahalaga yung mag-heal ka, pile number 1, if you have traumas sa past relationship mo. Kasi para kung iba sa inyo hindi pa ito namimit, is ma-recognize mo siya. Okay. This is a very positive positive person. Meron din ako nakita dito na just moved on sa mga past experiences mo, pile number 1, kasi nga para alam mo yun, para yung new cycle na to may nakita ko dito new cycle na to, itong person na to, itong mamimit mo na, which is you're going to marry this person. Okay. So, anong sign nakita natin ito? Leo, fire sign, okay. Air sign, water sign, may nakita kong some of this person is a water sign. Be gentle to this person, pal number 1. Okay, kasi pure heart to tong person na to Okay. Yung iba naman sa inyo, may nakita ko dito na this person is so umpisa may pagka guarded. Okay. Pero kapag once na nakilala mo ng tuluyan, ito yung personality niya. A very positive person. A very jolly person. Okay. So, pile number 1, ito yung personality, character, nung pakakasalan mo. Okay. It could be a fire sign, a water sign, and an air sign. Okay. So, pwedeng nakakausap mo na to right now. May kilala mo siya sa online. Okay. Okay, pile number 1. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. So, show some love, leave a comment on our comment box. Subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And like na rin ng video natin, okay? So, again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Go na ako kay pile number 2. Okay, pile number 1. Thank you so much. Bye! Hi, pile number 2. Kamusta ka? So, na-miss ko kayo. Kung pile number 2 ang napili mo, tingnan natin kung who will you marry? Sino ang mapapangasawa mo? Characteristic niya, personality niya, okay? Sign niya, or tingnan natin kung ano yung mga clue kung sino yung mapapangasawa mo. So, start na tayo agad, pile number 2. The Moon. Could be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay. Meron ako nakita unang-una na ano kayo, magkabaliktaran. Opposite kayo, ano kayo, kumbaga positive siya, negative ka, or basta ganun, parang ano kayo, balance. Okay. This person or you, pile number 2, is a mysterious one, okay? Kapag na-meet mo to, this person is a tahimik lang na person. Pwedeng feminine or masculine. Take what's resonate, guys. Hidden pa to sa'yo, pile number 2. So, hindi mo pa to, most of you, pile number 2, hindi mo pa to nakikilala. Kung mapapangasawa mo. Death, again. Okay? Death and Rebirth. So, it could be a Scorpio. Or you could be a Scorpio. Pile number 2. This is a spiritual person. Pile number 2. So, ano to? Intuitive. Spiritual. Malakas ito, nakikita ko Scorpio. This is a Scorpio. This person is nagkaroon maybe ng near-death experience, or you could be yun ha, pile number 2. King of Swords. You could be a King of Swords, pile number 2. Air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, and Libra. Or, if you are a feminine, pile number 2, you are the Scorpio 1. Okay. And this person is an air sign. Okay. Po, pwedeng mas may edad to sa'yo. Pal number 2. This person is a wise person. Okay. An old soul. Smart person. A very intellectual person. Okay. Pwedeng ma-meet mo to sa labas or sa you may sceneries. Okay. A very wise person. If you are a feminine, pile number 2, this person is a wise and an old soul. Okay. May yung iba sa inyo, may nakita ko na suplado din tong person na to, pile number 2. Okay. Kasi nga, maybe this person is a good looking guy. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, nakikita ko na maybe this person first approaches you. Siya ang unang mag-a-approach sa'yo. Or, basta magkakamit lang kayo randomly. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo. So, tingnan pa natin. Mirror. Mirroring each other, self-image, relationship reflect our wounds, introspection. Okay. Kanina, meron akong nakita na yung isa sa inyo na hurt. Okay. Same with pile number 1. Yung isa sa inyo na hurt from the past. Okay. Meron ditong dumaan ng death and rebirth. It could be the feminine. Okay. Mirroring each other. It could be your twin flame. Okay. Meron din ako nakita dito kung sino man yung feminine dito po pwedeng mababang self-confidence, may nakita ko. Always hiding so world ay mahiyain. Nakita ko dito may mahiyain dito. Always hidden. Meron ditong nasaktan eh. Okay, so pile number 2, kung ikaw is na-hurt din, katulad nung kay pile number 1, ang sabi dito kasi relationship reflects our wound, okay? So, po pwedeng, kung, guys, again, advice lang para sa akin. Kung ano yung nangyari sa inyo sa past, same with the pile number 1 ha, ano yun eh, magre-reflect kasi yun eh sa relationship natin currently or sa darating pa natin na relationship, or kung ito yung person na mapapangasawa mo, pile number 2, please make sure if you are the one na nasaktan, okay, please make sure na healed ka na, okay. Kaya mahalaga na mahalaga na meron tayong reflect sa sarili natin introspection sa sarili natin, kasi para at least kapag na-meet natin yung the one or yung person na magpapakasalan natin, healed ka na, so hindi na madadala kung ano pa yung mga trauma mo from the past sa current mo, okay. So meron ako nakita dito, kung hindi ikaw yung nasaktan, okay, maybe this person na-hurt before and nagkaroon na siya ng death and rebirth, okay? Po pwedeng ganon. Okay, tingnan pa natin. Eyes for you, fascinated, watching, focus. Okay, so pile number 1, may nakuha din ganitong card, pero ibang iba siya, pero alam ko parang sa Island Wellness yun, pero same na watching or spying. Okay, so maybe this person is eyeing you, or nakatingin pa lang siya sa malayo, so inaano ka pa lang niya, tinitingnan ka pa lang niya, or pinagmamasan ka pa lang niya. Pero hindi mo pa to kilala yung iba sa inyo. Inaano ka pa lang nito, pinagmamastan ka pa lang sa malayo, in short. Okay, kasi fascinated siya sa'yo, kasi nga if you are a Scorpio, pile number 2, you are a mysterious person, okay? So namimit na siya, parang paano ko ba ito sabihin? Yung siya, naku-curious siya sa'yo. Naku-curious siya sa'yo. May nakita ko sa inyo dito na you are a very attractive person, pile number 2, if you are the feminine. Okay. Next. Extreme harsh cut-off. So this person, King of Swords, is an extreme harsh cut-off. Meron ako nakita dito, yung iba sa inyo, it could be may narinig lang ako, it could be a boss. Okay. This person has an authority. Okay. Kasi ang mga air sign, okay, especially Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius, they are harsh and cut off to their words, okay. Okay, so ganun talaga yung personality nung iba sa kanila. Or it could be this is the person na kinat off mo ha, pile number 2. Take what's resonate. So tingnan natin. So meron kang 2 card, luminous deck, and then archetype cards. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung character pa nitong person na to na mapapakasalan mo, pile number 2, or mapapangasawa mo. Chiron, healing. 'Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, again, advice ko sa inyo kanina, mahalaga na mag-heal kung sino man sa inyo yung na-trauma sa relationship before. Why? This is a Chiron healing. Healing powers, growth, amends, release. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron dito na nasaktan before, It could be this person is nasaktan before, okay? And nagkaroon siya ng death and rebirth, okay? Or maybe you are the person who has a inherited issue from past relationship, okay? You have a low self-confidence, a self-doubt, okay? A trauma. Meron din sa inyo na sensitive. If you're a Scorpio, okay, you're a water sign. So, meron talaga dito nasaktan, hurt. It could be this person is hurt before sa relationship niya, okay? And this person is currently on a healing process right now, or in the death and rebirth process right now, okay? Kaya hindi mo na siya nag-take action, and he is focused, or sabihin, looking lang sa'yo sa malayo, okay? Fascinated, watching pa lang sa'yo. Maybe meron ako nakuha dito na feminine is the one na nasaktan din, some of you. You are healing, or nakikita ka nito, pile number 2, na nasa healing ka pa lang or galing ka sa breakup, kaya hindi pa siya nagte-take action. Kasi you are in the process of a rebirth, okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. Meron ako nakita dito na some of you guys, alam nitong person na to na nasaktan ka from the past, okay? Sa breakup mo before, and you are in the process nga ng nire-release mo pa lang yung sarili mo doon sa mga trauma na naranasan mo before, okay? If you're a sensitive person, pile number 2, if you're a Scorpio, especially Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces. A very soft person also. Sensitive. Bilis masaktan. Ano kasi to King of Swords kasi to King of Swords is a kind of a person na straightforward, saka kapag nagsalita kasi yan, not taking bullshit. So, kapag gusto ka niya, sasabihin niya sa'yo kung nagusto ka niya. So, no paligoy-ligoy, ganun. Okay? And a very intellectual person also. So, ang process niyan is sa head. Okay? More of a head person, not heart. Okay? So, kung sensitive na person ka, siguro, nakikita niya na you are a sensitive person and you are hurt right now. Matalinong mga air sign Alam niya sigurong nasa process ka pa ng healing, kaya hindi pa siya muna nagtitake chances or nagtitake action. Pile number 2. Yun lang yung nakikita ko. This is a, siya magsalita So, kung sensitive ka, pile number 2, or madali kang masaktan, yun, i-balance mo lang, okay? Balance mo lang yun. Or meron din ako nakita dito na maybe take what's resonate. Maybe meron ako nakita dito na itong guy yung nasa healing process ngayon. Kung kanina yung feminine yung nasa healing, ngayon baka itong guy yung nasa healing process, and this feminine, kung sino man yung feminine sa inyo, pal number 2, will help also to heal this person. Okay, kasi nga harsh to siguro mapalambot mo yung puso nito because you have the healing powers. Okay. Ano kayo nito alam mo yon, yung positive negative nga. If you are soft, this is a harsh person. Sabihin natin, if you are soft, ito hard to na person, or yung matibay ang loob. Okay, kung ikaw iyakin, ito hindi madaling umiyak. Okay, Kung ikaw, mababa ang self-confidence mo, this person is a confident person. So, yun, ano kayo, parang yin and yang. Okay? So, last card, slave. Surrendering your power of choice to the divine with complete trust. I told you. Shadow attribute. Giving your willpower to an external authority out of fear of making your own choices. I told you, pile number 2, kung meron ka man trauma o kung ikaw man yung na-trauma before, heal. Okay? Heal. Like pile number 1, okay? Heal. Heal that trauma. Okay? If you are a codependent person, hindi kasi po, ako kasi naniniwala ako ha, you will meet the right person or the right one na ibinigay talaga sa'yo ni Lord kapag healed ka na totally. Why? Halimbawa, kapag na-reach mo na yung, sometimes kasi yung iba, pinaparating yung person talaga nila, yung na-achieve na nila, yung kanya-kanyang career or kaya dapat na marating sa buhay. Kasi additional na lang yung sa love eh. Okay? Hindi mo po pwedeng iasa or gawing mundo ang partner mo, ang person mo, ang boyfriend mo or what. Kasi yung love dapat na self-love na tinatawag is sa'yo, mahal mo na agad yung sarili mo kasi bonus na lang yun. Okay? Yun ang healthy relationship kasi pile number 2. Okay? This person focus on his goal and you is not a codependent person and you also will focus on your goal. So, ganun yun. Ganun kasi ang healthy relationship. Okay? Yung whether nandyan yung person or nasa malayo or ano, kaya mong mag-isa. Pero pagka halimbawang magkasama kayo, you have the time para sa isa't isa. Parang ganun. Okay. And kung ikaw naman yung type of a person, pile number 2, na hindi na naniniwala sa love dahil nasaktan before, surrender, okay? Surrender yung worries mo, okay, sa divine, kay Lord, kay Jesus, kung sino man ang pinapaniwalaan mo. Surrender that, okay? Yung hurt, yung pain, yung trauma, kung ano pa man yung mga iniisip mo before, surrender. Why? Kailangan mo kasing mag-heal. Okay? Para nga, halimbawa, parating na yung person sa'yo na mapapangasawa mo or magiging partner mo, tapos, hindi ka pa pala healed or on the process ka ng, kumbaga, ayaw mong i-let go ayaw mong mag-forgive dun sa nanakit sa'yo before, kung sino pa man yun. E di wala na. Nakalagpas na yung person. Kasi hindi natin alam yan kung kailan ulit padadaanin uli yon. Kasi merong mga instances, from what I saw online and other story na nababasa ko, sometimes kasi it takes a lifetime to meet your right person kasi again. Okay? So, trust the process, heal, okay, na this person or the right person, yung talagang kabalance mo, kung ikaw si Ying, siya si Yang, yung magiging kabalance mo, trust na makikita mo yun, okay, and you will have your happily ever after, okay, kung na-hurt ka man before, pile number 2, at kung hindi ka man naniniwala sa love, let go mo yan, yung idea mo na yan or kung ano pa man kasi every person is talagang merong right person. Okay. Yung iba lang kasi talaga hindi nakakapaghintay or wrong choices kasi sila. Kaya minsan kahit na yung mga traumas nila hindi nila na-heal kaya hindi nila nare-recognize kung yun ba yung person nila. Okay, pile number 2. So this is the person na mapapangasawa mo, pile number 2. It can be a King of Swords, air sign, or a water sign, okay? Or a Scorpio, malakas ang Scorpio, okay? Pero kasi nakikita ko you are Scorpio. Heal. Pile number 2, meron na ako nakikitang kailangan mong mag-heal kasi this person, kung nandiyan na siya ha, at nakikita ka niya, at nasusubaybayan na, hindi kasi ito magte-take action hanggat nakikita niya na hindi ka pa nakaka-move on sa past mo. Pile number 2. Okay, nakikita ka na nito eh. This is focused, okay? Or it could be you are focused on hurt, okay? Pero this person is already watching you. Okay? Or if hindi man, trust the process. Pile number 2, na soon, mamimit mo tong person na to na mapapangasawa mo. Okay? So, I hope pile number 2 nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading. If hindi naman, pwede kang pumunta kay pile number 1. So, this is a single edition again, ha? Na kung sino ang mapapangasawa or mapapakasalan mo. Okay? So, subscribe ka na pile number 2. Hit like button and then show some love. Comment ka sa ating comment box. And sabihin kung nag-resonate or not. Okay? So, see you again sa next reading natin. Pile number 2. Bye!